Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at your profile icon to open up your profile, and then just open up any reel that you want to hide from your profile grid. I'm just open up that reel, and now in order to hide it, all you have to do is just tap right here at three dots icon and then just select remove from profile grid. Now you can go back to your profile. As you can see, that reel has just been removed from here, but it's still on your Reels tab right here. So now I'm going to show you how you can remove the reel back to your profile grid. Just open up the reel, then hit at three dots icon and select manage. And now you can easily find add to profile grid option. Just tap on that. Now you can go back to your profile. As you can see, that reel is already here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.